Good morning, Young Beef. I appreciate your comment. I agree with you that people should understand what breed they're buying. But I'm not sure that you understand that you can't go by color. You're saying meat turkeys are usually yellow and heritage are speckled. Tractor Supply sells both, and Rural King especially tells you. So I want you to look at this picture right here and tell me which one is heritage and which one's a broad breast. This one right here is a White Holland Heritage turkey. And this one is a Royal Palm Heritage turkey. And this is your broad-breasted white. So you can't really go by color. Now, as far as the speckled goes, you said the speckled are heritage. One of these is a broad breast. Can you tell me which one's which? Just based on color. This one's a Narragansett. This is the breed that we have and that I was holding in the beginning of the other video. It's speckled. That is a heritage bird. And this is a broad-breasted bronze turkey. This is a meat bird. And it's also speckled. So you cannot go by color. I do agree that you should know what you're buying. That was the whole point of the video. The problem is most people, when they first get into turkeys, they don't realize the difference. That's the whole point of it. So you also cannot go by color. Have a great day.